Another test that we use our indicator on is to test for concentricity. So on this part, I've got several diameters here. I want to make sure that these diameters are concentric. Maybe I'm testing the diameter of that groove and making sure that that groove is concentric to the outside diameter here. Or I've got another smaller OD right here. So maybe we're checking to all of these to make sure they're concentric. So right now I'm going to come in, I'm going to test the concentricity of that groove. So I'm going to get my probe down in there. We'll set that to 0. Again, I am using V block, so I'm going to make sure that I'm on the high point here of that. So there, my 0 is set to the high point. So let me back this back up. There we go. Oh, or I can just use that, and then all you got to do here is, again, we're spinning this, and of course if it is not concentric, we will see that the indicator will show us exactly where it's out of concentricity. So this would be how we would check for concentricity between two different diameters on a part. Now, it doesn't have to just be outside diameters. We can also use the same thing for inside diameters. A lot of times in production setting, when you're machining a part, we might machine one side first, and then we flip it over to machine the second side. And we need to make sure that those two sides are related to each other, so we have to check for concentricity and make sure that our setup was good when we do that. So that is how we check for concentricity using our indicator.